Guys, for today's video, we're gonna be talking about a butterfly knife. Yes, a butterfly knife, yeah. And if you guys don't know how to use it, it's basically just like this. This is the base version. Yeah. It's not actually like really easy to do. Especially if you're not, like this. Here, for showcase, okay? It's easy. But if you want to do it the radical way, you can just do it. What the Yeah, so basically it's just going to be hard if you're a newbie or something. But yet, it's still easy. Oh, and yeah, this is actually an old gold butterfly knife, so it's not really, it's not actually sharp. Here. Yep. Great for self-defense, but again, I do not recommend this, okay? I do not recommend this. I guess that's it for today's video. Please subscribe and like the video for more tips. Damn it.